few advice is given by sir that read books. The one thing he emphasized to the students, to me, to read the books, to start reading, at least start the journey of reading, because when you'll start, you'll enjoy and you'll continue to read. My name is Kajal Desai. Currently, I am a working professional. My degree is company secretary and I am working with a chartered accountancy firm. I completed my education back in 2016. So overall, I have 10 years experience. So overall, I scored 8 bands, and individually listening 8 bands, reading 9 bands, speaking and writing 7. To be very honest, the score was unbelievable. But I knew that I will score good because the exam went really well, and I was very confident, and I didn't shiver. When we generally shiver when we see our result. But under I was very confident that the score will be good and I will be able to score better. Bo calm રહેવાનું, because when there is pressure of scoring some specific band, તો એ આપણું રિઝલ્ટ ડેફિનેટલી મેટર કરે. વેન વી આર વેરી રિલેક્સ્ડ તો સ્કોર બહુ જ ફાઇન આવે છે, અને આઈ પર્સનલી એક્સપિરિયન્સ્ડ ઇટ. When I attempted IELTS before 4 years, I was very nervous, and during that time I was not able to score this golden band. But during this time I was very relaxed. One day, one old student from the class connected from Canada. So he was online, and we all students were watching him and interacting with him. અને એ બહુ ફાઇન રીતે કરંટ સિનેરિયો સમજાવતો હતો to the rest of the students. What is the current scenario and what is the actual situation? Like there are many videos on the YouTube or Instagram that which are hyping the thing in Canada, right? So that Rushabh sir was very politely conveying the things to us, that what is the actual scenario in Canada and how we should prepare our mind and not come with certain assumptions in our mind, right? So I have a very I remember every words of him, and I even tried to interact with him and ask few questions to him, and he was very polite in answering my questions as well. I attempted IELTS in 2020 and 21, and during that time I opted for pen and paper based exam. So I was very nervous giving the computer based exam. But after I experienced the computer based, I recommend everyone to try that, because it's really easy. We do not have that pressure of attempting the things of improving our handwriting. So overall, computer based exam was really very good. Overall, જ્યારે students ઓછા હોય ત્યારે we feel very relaxed. If I talk about my experience, તો exam center પર અમે ખાલી we were only 3 students. So mentally I was very relaxed that I was the only one giving the GT exam, and the rest 2 were for academic. So overall, it was very the experience was very good, and the staff member I gave the exam at Surat Center. The staff was also very welcoming. So I didn't feel that I was giving some very good exam or I was giving very competitive exam. So overall, environment was very good. The teaching style is very good, especially the speaking sessions. I hardly attended the class for like a month, because I am a working professional and I didn't get that much time to give to the classes. So I was very clear with the sir as well that I will not be able to dedicate much of the time because of my job, and also I am a full-time working mother. So it's not possible. So sir very beautifully tailored my timetable, and one thing I like about the classes were the speaking sessions. On particular day of the week, there are specific speaking sessions where we exchange our ideas, even if it is off the beat or even if it is related to some current affairs which are going on. So I think I enjoyed the speaking sessions, and whenever sir message in the group that today there is a speaking session, so I definitely try to attend it because I find it very interesting, and also like to communicate with the other students as well. So overall, the one thing which I liked is the speaking sessions. The two trainers which I came across during the classes were Pooja ma'am and Kirti ma'am. So Kriti ma'am is always welcoming. You know, whenever sir message her that Kajal ka speaking lena hai, so immediately within 2 minutes she is in front of me and she is asking me the questions and conducting the speaking sessions. So you know, overall the environment is very positive. You know, we didn't feel that we are in some classes doing something or there is some load of or pressure of performing better. So the tutors are also very welcoming and they are of our age, so we don't have that generation gap. We can easily convey the idea as well. Toughest module according to me is listening, because you know, જ્યારે પણ લિસનિંગનું ઓડિયો ચાલે છે ત્યારે if we don't listen some words or if we don't listen some keywords, then it's gone. We cannot refer it, we cannot write it down, whatever. But so I was very conscious when I was doing the listening, but luckily my listening in the exam was very easy and I was very relaxed the entire 30 minutes. The test goes for 30 minutes, right, for the listening. So entire 30 minutes I was very relaxed, but listening માં મને બહુ જ ડર લાગતો હતો. I knew decent 2 years ago, but when I decided to join the classes, I came to know from an Instagram post, and then I decided let's give a try, because I wanted to enroll for a crash course. So I didn't wanted a detailed study but just a crash course. So I thought that let's give a try to decent. ઘણા બધા મારા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ ઓલરેડી અહીંયા એનરોલ્ડ હતા ફોર ધેર ઇન સ્પોકન ઇંગ્લિશ ક્લાસીસ ઓર ફોર IELTS, and I came to know from their Instagram post. So I knew that many known people are going there, so it must be good. Yes, definitely. There are, when I posted the score or sir posted the score on Instagram, there were lots of query, and I'm not joking. This was the actual thing, that where you conducted where you took the classes, how was the experience? So will you recommend or will you let us know how to start or how to proceed this journey? And even one or two relatives from Canada, they called me that whether sir is conducting the online classes or whether they'll help me with the speaking, writing or with the other modules. So I definitely recommend everyone, because whenever I message sir that I need that material or I need some topic from writing, he's very he makes sure that I get the reply within few minutes. So the sir is very approachable. We don't hesitate or we don't find awkward in interacting with him, and that is a very welcoming thing, I feel.